Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing a first impressions review of the new Maybelline Color Jolt Matte Intense Lip Paints. So if you wanna see the swatches and the demo, please keep on watching. So here's the product guys, and it comes alone. So naka-plastic lang siya and nakalagay yung tag because I bought this sa Robinsons Department Store for 299 pesos each. The day I bought this, sale siya sa Lazada for 199 and sa Beauty MNL for like 149 pesos. Sa counter na pinuntahan ko, there are 6 shades available. Hindi pa naman sila nakakapag-send ng mga PR items. I'm just going to put here the screen kung ilan talaga siya kasi ang gulo. Alam niyo, mas pabor sa akin yung ganito. I don't really think that it requires a box kasi sayang papel and wala lang kasi kung may seal naman na ganito, sa tingin ko wala naman na sigurong mag-o-open pa nang hindi nila binibili. I only bought 2 shades kasi sa totoo lang, yung ibang shades doesn't appeal to me. Feeling ko pang maputi siya or like too bright or too pink for me. So ang nakuha ko is a shade that's vampy and a nude shade. This nude one is 04 Show of Nude. And then this darker one is 06 Vamp Red. Ang una kong concern talaga nung nakita ko siya, ang liit pala niya, ayan lang siya. Maliit yung kamay ko and compared to my hand, ayan lang siya. Tapos ang inakala ko sa picture, siguro at least mga ganitong katangkad. And when you open guys, it comes with this sponge tip applicator na may hole sa gitna kasi doon lalabas yung product. So ayan siya. Oh, ang dami agad lumabas. So dahan-dahan sa pagsisqueeze kasi baka masyadong marami lumabas. So I squeeze more, and considering that this is nude, it is opaque. So I'm having this mint sensation sa lips, and let's do the upper lip. Looking sa screen and feeling ko, medyo namumutla ako ng very slight. Siguro kung ito yung gagamitin ko na shade. Kasi okay siya nung na-swatch ko sa kamay, pero mas lighter siya siguro since mas opaque o mas marami ako na ilagay. Kailangan ko siguro mag-adjust ng blush, ng contour, para hindi siya mukhang ganyan ka nude. But this is perfect if you're going to have that smoky eye look. Yun yung nakikita-kita ko. Wala akong nilagay na kahit na ano sa lips, and it really is looking matte. Merong konting-konting sheen, pero I think throughout the day mawawala yun. Usually naman, pagka nag-apply ka ng matte lipstick na merong konting sheen, at the end of the day, nawawala yung sheen. And it just really remains matte. Tapos, super lightweight siya sa feeling. Hindi siya mabigat o kung ano man. Doesn't feel like my lips are tight. Okay na okay siya for me. Wala pa siyang 5 minutes. Let's remove. Mabilis naman siyang matanggal. Wow. Ang ganda niya. Tapos, alam niyo yung matte na komportable sa lips. This is a little brighter than I expected. As you can see guys, ang bright niyan tingnan sa lips. Pero pag kinumpare mo si packaging, talagang mas vampy tingnan yung packaging. So it's not that vampy for me. Kakaiba kasi pag vampy, but let's do the upper lip. I mean, I love the shade. Gets ba yung sinasabi ko? Medyo nakaka-misconstrue kasi sinabi niya vampy pero bright. Pero gusto ko yung shade niya. I did not go back and forth. This is just one layer, both upper and lower lip. Pagdating sa pigmentation, panalong panalo. Again, it feels lightweight. Gusto ko tong lipstick na to. I can really tell. Ngayon pa lang. Alam niyo, minsan pag paulit mong ginaganito yung lips mo, pagtapos liquid yung ginamit mo, nag-move siya, tapos ang nangyayari yung ibang area nawawala ng lipstick. Pero ito, kahit mag-move siya, wala kang makikita na area na natatanggalan. After swatching, I can tell I already love these lipsticks, pero ang isusuot ko today is itong nude. Lagi kasi pagka nagagawa ko review, ang sinusuot ko yung dark para mas makita yung difference. But let's see dito sa nude. Huwag kayong magko-compare sa packaging for the shade kasi as you can see nga, itong trinay ko, bright siya. Tapos dito sa packaging, vampy. Yung name din niya is vampy, but it's not that vampy. I went to the bathroom for an oil-based makeup remover kasi nag-stain yung red. And as you can see, medyo reddish pa ng konti, pero yun na yung pinakakaya kong tanggalin. So now I'm going to reapply nude and test it throughout the day. So I did put a little bit of eyeshadow on my lids para hindi naman masabing walang-wala and parang sobrang nude tingnan ng face. But yung aking brows, as you can see, hindi siya super filled in. Actually, hindi siya fill in a regular pang fill in na products. I used yung Maybelline Tattoo Brow. So I'll be linking that review dito sa info box below, and let's see kung tatagal yung lipstick. So it is now 2 PM and I'll do some random check-ins throughout the day. So, I am back agad-agad. Do not mind my dogs. Nandun kasi sila sa baba, naglalaro. But again, I was expecting to do this update siguro mga mamayang gabi pa because sa mga lipsticks na tinatry ko, usually naman umaabot siya ng hapon, ng gabi, ganyan. Pero alam mo yung feeling na pinaasa kayo. Ang ganda ng pigmentation, ang daling i-apply, ang ganda ng packaging, all value for money, pwede na din kasi pag nagsisale yung $2.99, katulad niyan, pwede siyang $149, $199. Tapos na-realize mo na may isa pa palang category which is long-lasting. Pinaasa ko, iniwan ako sa ere. Wala talagang natira kahit na ano. Kumain lang ako na isang full meal. Usually sa mga lipstick may matitira na kung ano man. Nga, wala. I suspect na kung yung ginamit ko is yung darker shade, baka may natira pang stain. Kaya lang kasi paano na lang yung mga lighter shades. Everything about this lipstick na nagtatry ako looks good, feels good, pero ba't ganun? I really thought that this was a step up from the creamy mattes na maganda rin yung pigmentation pero madaling matanggal. But for me, step up siya sa pigmentation but it's the same thing, madali ding matanggal. Pero kung ako ang tatanungin nyo, mixed feelings talaga sa akin eh. Pag may gusto ko talagang shade na isuot at willing kang mag-reapply throughout the day, then this is for you. Pero kung sobrang tamad mo mag-retouch, you will not like this lipstick. Intense lip paint, intense naman talaga siya sa pigmentation pero intense din. Isang beses lang akong kumain, wala talaga natira. Well, that is just my 2 cents about the product. Again, nasa sa inyo pa rin yan. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, kung hindi naman kayo tamad mag-reapply, ayan, this is for you. Kasi maganda naman talaga yung pigmentation. So, I hope this video helps and if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Maraming salamat! Bye! Magre-reapply muna ako.